Hi, Tom. How was school today?
It was good, Anna. I learned a lot.
That's great. What did you learn?
We learned about math. It was fun.
I like math too. Did you have any tests?
Yes. We had a small math test.
How did you do on the test?
I think I did well. I studied hard.
That's awesome. Studying is very important.
Yes, it really is. Did you have tests today?
No, but I had a project due.
What was your project about?
It was about animals. I chose lions.
Lions are cool. What did you write?
I wrote about their habitat and diet.
Sounds interesting. Did you enjoy doing it?
Yes, I loved it. I learned it a lot.
That's good. Projects can be fun.
They can be. What else did you do in school?
We had art class in the afternoon.
Oh, I like art class. What did you create?
I painted a landscape. It was so colorful.
I would love to see it.
Sure. I can show you tomorrow.
Great. Do you like your art teacher?
Yes. She is very nice and helpful.
That's good. A nice teacher makes a difference.
It really does. What about your classes?
I liked my science class a lot.
What do you learn in science?
We learn about plants and animals.
That cool. Do you do experiments?
Yes, we did an experiment with plants.
What was the experiment about?
We found out how much water plants need.
We
That's
found out.
interesting.
How much
Did the
water
plants
plants
grow
need?
well?
Yes, they grow nicely with enough water.
That's awesome. I love seeing things grow.
Me too. Nature is amazing.
Do you have any favorite subjects?
I like science and art. What about you?
I like math and history.
History is fun. What do you learn there?
We learn about important events and people.
That sounds interesting. Who do you learn about?
We learned about George Washington last week.
Well, I would like to learn more about him.
I can tell you more tomorrow at school.
Yes, let's have a history chat.
Sounds good. I'll see you in class.